It is 6:28. I've already marked out my charts. I know what I'm doing. I'm just going to do a recap of what I've analysed. My daily bars for this is bullish. I need to get rid of this. Yes. Okay, 4 hour. I want to see a draw to the top of this imbalance. 4 hour imbalance. Okay. I'm going to be long until it gets up there. 1 hour, same deal. 30-minute. I'm looking for a drawdown to here, and then I'll start looking for my entries. Then I'll start looking for my second confluences. Right, GU. Doesn't look as good. A bit of consolidation going on. GU, I'm looking, just like yesterday, for it to come up into this daily imbalance. Come up into there, so I'm going to be bullish on the daily. 4 hour, yeah, it's just this price action's a little bit messy. So I don't know if I want to take a trade on this today, but we'll see what plays out. I'm going to wait for a drawdown to here first off, and then again, like yesterday, I just want to make sure I'm only trading between 7:45 and 9:30 and 12:45 and 2:30. Okay. However, the issue is we have news at 3, so I'm thinking might not be a great market to trade in before that. However, it's nothing like CPI, PPI, FOMC, like it's nothing major. So I don't know what kind of impact this will have, but ideally we get a trade in during the London session. That is the recap of my analysis this morning. I'm gonna make sure I do 10 minutes of meditation, cold shower this morning, and I will update this later if I've taken any new trades. Okay, the mic wasn't plugged in the first time, but now the mic's plugged in. I need to get better at remembering that. Anyway, here's what happened today. This is the trade we took. This is what we saw. Trade didn't work out. 15-minute sweep of liquidity, 5-minute break of structure, followed by a 3-minute retrace into that fair value gap there, and obviously went to stop loss pretty quick. Things I'm looking which I could improve is I'm pretty sure I originally said that I was going to wait for it to draw to this point here, which it did, but there's obviously no confirmation that it's going to reverse, and then I said this point here, which it's come to now. It's come to, so I'll watch this for the rest of the day to see if anything happens now. We're down here, which is what I originally wanted. So it has come down to the point I wanted it to come down to. You see there, but there's no break of structure or anything. Comes down a bit more, so now probably want to see a bit more of a sweep. However, I only take one trade a day, so I will not be taking a trade. I'll keep looking at the chart though. Yeah, I think my issue is I just want to look for more kind of like hour liquidity sweeps instead of doing a little one. Like that's barely, it's not a liquidity sweep. So just look for hourly liquidity sweeps instead of 15-minute ones. The other thing I wanted to cover was I acknowledged that this was in a range, and it's been in a range since Monday last week, so it's been in a range for over a week. So I probably shouldn't have, in fact I shouldn't have even taken a trade on here because there's no clear trend at the moment. It's just consolidating. Anyway, GJ, see what's going on here. So it's come off of this imbalance at about 50% of it, and it's just heading down. Swept all of them. Yeah, this would have been nicer to trade, to be honest. I mean, it just looks, you know, there's no consolidation going on. It's just moving nicer by the looks of it. Yeah, anyway, so it's alright. Yesterday, so I've got a $3,000 account, $3,000 demo account. Yesterday I gained 30, so I made 1%. Today I lost 1%. So, yeah, it's fine. I'm at more or less break even. There's a bit of commission, which put me into a tiny bit of drawdown. I wanted to meditate. That's where I meditate, but the dog's taking it. I meditated earlier. Meditation, cold shower, done the disciplines. I'm gonna go get some food now, finally, because this is recorded audio. Yeah, going into tomorrow. I'm not sure what the news is like. I'll have a look at that. But, yep, that's it for me today.